has been a few days. I got ready this morning for work and headed to work. Yesterday was just about paid collabs, finishing up everything that I had to turn in before I leave for this work trip. We are finally going to start packing. I haven't done anything. I need to do laundry. I think everything seems clean, but I'm not sure. Like, I still have other clothes that I might need. I don't know. I need to go through everything that I'm gonna pack. I also don't know what I'm packing. It's been extremely hot. Let's take out my suitcase first because I haven't even done that. So let's do that first. We had some dinner and I just took a shower. I put on a nose strip, which I'm so excited because I've been wanting to do this for a while. And this is a very strong one. It's by BeauToday. I think it's how you say it. It is now like 9 p.m. I think. It has been so hot, which has made me even more lazy to honestly do anything and start packing. But I did take out my suitcase, and so I emptied it out because I was storing some like Christmas stuff on there, so I have that. But I opened up a Rare Beauty package that I ordered a while ago, and I want to show you guys. It's so hot even though I showered with cold water. I got a little headband by Rare Beauty. These are so cute and adorable and perfect for like doing your makeup and stuff like that. I think this one's so cute. It has the Rare Beauty logo and it's really cozy. It's like a Sherpa material, but it's so cute. I love it. I'm so excited to take this with me and do my makeup over there and stuff. I also thought it was time to do an upgrade for my little like travel bag, my essentials for traveling. So I have a marble one from Amazon, but I feel like it's super old, super dirty, and I've had it for so long, so I thought it was time to upgrade. I got this one by Rare Beauty, so I've seen a lot of good things about it, so I'm super excited. It's really cushiony. I already opened it. So basically one part of it is this. So you have this side, which is just open, and then also it has a little compartment here at the top, the little mesh, which I think is more for like brushes probably. And that is one side, and then on the other side right here, you just open it and you can store more stuff in there. I think those are the only two pockets. I think the material is pretty good. So it's pretty cushiony on here on the top. So I'm excited to use this. I love that it has a handle as well because then it's easier to like hold. I got these two and I'm excited to take these on the trip, but I think I'm going to do my essentials tomorrow, but I'll start today. While this is happening, I'm going to go ahead and wash my makeup brushes, so let's do that. This is proof that I have the suitcase opened at least, because I've been so bad. I think this is honestly the most I've procrastinated in terms of packing in a long time. Like, I can't believe I've been procrastinating this much, but honestly I've been really busy, so that also just makes it harder. I have to wash these and they probably are still gonna be wet, so I'll just pack them tomorrow morning. I just got a new one right here. This is by EcoTools. This is the Makeup Brush and Sponge Shampoo. This is what it looks like. I will link this in the description down below, but I've honestly had this one for a long time. Also, I want to quickly talk about the fact that these press-ons are still on. These press-ons are incredible. I have had them for, I think it's gonna be 2 weeks, and none of them have fallen off. Like, none of them. They look so good still. Obviously my nails growing out, but other than that, they look so good, and I'm obsessed with them. I found them off of Amazon, and I will link them down below as well. But I have done dishes, I have brushed like my hair, like, you know, like massage my hair when I wash it. It has not come out in this whole time, and I'm so surprised because I feel like the press-ons that I've used before, they always come out. answers in a meeting, but I am awake. Today is the day. We're flying to Turkey. I need to get ready, and yes, I pretty much packed last night for the most part, like my carry-on, which is my backpack with like media stuff, because if you don't know, again, I'm a social media coordinator, so I am getting footage, so I have like cameras and a bunch of lenses, so I just carry that in our company backpack. And then I'm taking my big suitcase, which is pretty much done for the most part as well, and then I just need to finish packing my essentials, and that is pretty much it. I need to change, so yeah, let's finish up packing and finish getting ready for this flight, because I have to leave around 9. I'm leaving from San Francisco International Airport.